Good morning, friends. Today we will understand why CAE engineers are facing difficulty in career growth and how our training, our knowledge is helping them. Okay. So what we have done, we open CAE engineers jobs available on LinkedIn, and we are studying what the companies are asking. Okay. It is CAE from Donaldson, Gurgaon. Now here it is written BTech candidate will not be considered for this position. Okay. Now, what kind of studies this company want? The static, transient, model, harmonic, random at assembly and component level. And what extra they want? Analyze complex structure analysis using classical hand calculation. Now, this is the weak point of majority CA engineers. Hand calculation. Classical hand calculation means what command you have on formulas, right? How well you understand the application of formulas in real industrial design, in any product design. See, demonstrate aptitude on material specification and fatigue analysis. Now, how much material metallurgy you know, right? How many material laws you know. Now, this is requiring some MTech or PhD level of knowledge, right? But it is not that much difficult that you have to do MTech and PhD. If you are sincere engineer, then also you can take this level of knowledge. And we are training on all these things, and that's why we are very much different. Our training and our giving knowledge giving style is very much different than what is available in the market. Now understand that this is Applied Materials, a very good company. What they want, masters 4 to 6 years, again same studies, right? Normal, good theoretical and fundamental knowledge in FEM and structural mechanics. Now, when can you suggest to a management that okay, you do these changes, that changes, right? When you have good fundamentals on formula, on structural mechanics, right? And you say that okay, by this particular calculation, I am arriving at this kind of weight reduction or better performance, and you do that particular FEA, right? Modify the structure and do the FEA and show it to the management, it will be acceptable. But maximum engineers are simply button pushing, doing some R&D and wastage of time. Now, what is at Emerson their requirement? Again, master's degree in mechanical. Construct and solve advanced high quality FEA models of immersion production systems, though these analyses provide recommendation to product engineering on the adequacy of design of given application, how to improve or reduce cost. Now, see, in FEA there is a model building. There is no need to test the entire assembly, right? Which is a critical area. That much only you have to simulate. Now, when can you do all this thing? If you have proper knowledge, engineering knowledge, right? I'm talking of engineering knowledge, and you understand the failure analysis, which is my weakest component. Again, PhD and MTech. See, same studies, material, fatigue, fracture, that is okay. I think all people who are operating NCs or Abacus, because they know all this button pushing procedure. But when it comes that management say no, you improve on your design, their maximum CAE, FEA find lot of difficulty. Oh, my growth is blocked. I don't know. After doing so much hard work, I'm facing so much difficulty, right? Then its tension will start. So what we suggest that because we see all these things, we see what engineers are facing difficulty, and we are say redesigning, including lot many other topics in our training, okay, which will help you, because we want to train you as a totality, in totality, not in bits only one portion like that. No, you are engineer. Maximum people understand that if I'll do NCs, I'll get a job. Okay, okay, you will get a job, but what about growth, career growth? Only ANSYS or Abacus or SolidWorks will never give you any career growth after 5 years. Now, what is this Atlas Copco want? Right? FE analysis, same, all this. See, whichever profile you say, right? You will find similarity. Same studies, again, then they will ask what is the classical hand calculation, your fundamentals on mechanics, right? Structural mechanics. So, see, strong mathematical and analytical skill. Programming skill, now Python you must know on basics, means basics of Python you must know. Okay, MTech ME. Some people say the mechanical engineering is a dead field. I have seen one YouTube video today that they say it is a dead field. See, it is a dead field for people who doesn't want to improve on themselves. They say that I have got a degree, I must get a job. Their mentality is like that. See, there are too many third grade colleges, those who take fees and give you degree, but there is no knowledge. So this situation happens in the market. Here, same GE application, dynamic explicit implicit simulation, including impact quasi-static, using Abacus, good experience solving couple, thermocouple, yeah, thermostructure, means thermomechanical FEA problems, right? MTech ME again, PhD. See, now you understand, so many companies are there, right? And so many companies want MTech ME, PhD. Now, how to upgrade a BTech engineer from here or a MTech engineer from here? This is our say training program, and a link is already is given below. It already has got many of this kind of analysis output charts, right? Now, what we want from you, in front of you these charts are there. Now you have to improve design, improve your design. How you will improve your design? Because see, there are some multiple testing in once you go on FEA, right? You are testing your design. So as a design engineer, nobody is going to guide you that you taste like this, taste like it. It has to come from yourself inside. Okay, what will be my practical behavior, right? How my machine or my component will has to work practically, and how I will do my FEA study, and what kind level of output I should get, and from that output how should I introspect, bring my theoretical fundamentals in place, and give solution, a better solution, a better design to the management. Okay, thank you very much. Contact us.